In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate Apollo.io with your CRM, helping you streamline your sales process and improve data flow. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or looking for ways to make the most of it, this guide will take you step by step through the process. Stick with me till the end because we'll also unlock an exclusive bonus to help you get started with Apollo.io for free, which is something you won't want to miss. Apollo.io is an all-in-one platform for sales teams, and when paired with a CRM, it's a powerhouse that allows you to manage leads, contacts, and sales activities in one place. Let's dive right into the integration process. First, you'll need to log into your Apollo.io account. If you haven't already, you can use the first link in the description to start your free trial with some exclusive bonuses. Once logged in, head over to your Apollo dashboard. You'll see an option in the settings to connect your CRM, which is the first step. Now, before you begin the integration, you'll want to make sure your CRM supports the Apollo.io integration. Apollo works seamlessly with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and others. If you're using one of these, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. Apollo has a range of integration options through APIs and third-party tools. Once you're in your Apollo.io settings, click on the Integrations tab. You'll see a list of supported CRMs. Select the CRM you want to integrate. For example, if you're using Salesforce, just click on Salesforce from the list. Apollo.io will prompt you to log into your CRM account. Enter your credentials and grant Apollo the necessary permissions to access your CRM data. Once your CRM is connected, you'll be able to sync your contacts, leads, and account information between Apollo.io and your CRM automatically. This is where the magic happens. No more manual data entry. You can now capture leads directly from Apollo and have them appear in your CRM in real time. Another great feature of the integration is the ability to track all of your sales activities, calls, emails, meetings, directly from your CRM dashboard. You'll be able to see the full interaction history with each prospect, which means you'll always know exactly where things stand. For those of you working with custom CRMs or looking for more complex integrations, Apollo.io offers API access. This means you can build your own custom workflows or integrate with a CRM not natively supported. But don't worry, if you're not technically inclined, Apollo's customer support team is fantastic and can walk you through any setup process. Once the integration is complete, take a moment to set up your workflows. With Apollo.io's CRM integration, you can create automated follow-ups, reminders, and sequences to make sure you're engaging with prospects at the right time. The system can automatically update contact information, making sure your CRM is always up to date without you lifting a finger. Apollo.io's powerful analytics tools also work seamlessly after integration, so you'll get data on how well your sales campaigns are performing directly from your CRM. This data can help you optimize your outreach and ensure you're working with the most qualified leads. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can use Apollo.io for free through the link in the description below. You'll also get an extended free trial to explore its powerful features without any commitment. So if you're looking to streamline your lead management process and get more sales, Apollo.io combined with your CRM is the way to go. To summarize, integrating Apollo.io with your CRM is a quick and simple process. With Apollo's real-time syncing, automated workflows, and analytics, it's a must-have for any sales team looking to maximize their efforts and improve efficiency. Make sure to click the first link below for your exclusive bonus and extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.